DMG MORI is a worldwide leading manufacturer of high-precision machine tools and sustainable technologies that are the center of global value chains. Generally, for DMG MORI, sustainability is a prerequisite for business success and a basic requirement to collaborate with suppliers. Some of our present focus topics are regulatory requirements like the German Supply Chain Act and our corporate net zero goals. This motivates us even more to integrate sustainability criteria into our procurement processes. Our main challenges are increased transparency and continuously monitor sustainability performance of our suppliers across multiple business units and geographies. So we could establish a risk management system that covers the requirements of the German Supply Chain Act. IntegrityNext has been our strong partner for supply chain sustainability for many years, and we feel well prepared for the future requirements and challenges.